Unit 124. In, at, on, position 2. A. We say that somebody, something is. In a line, in a row, in a queue, in the sky, in the world. In an office, in a department. In a book, in a paper, newspaper, in a magazine, in a letter, in bed, in the country, in the countryside, in a picture, in a photo, in a photograph. When I go to the cinema, I like to sit in the front row. James is not up yet, he is still in bed. It was a lovely day. There was not a cloud in the sky. I have just started working in the sales department. Who is the woman in that photo? Have you seen this picture in today's paper? In a row. B. On the left, on the right, on the left-hand side, on the right-hand side. On the ground floor, on the first floor, on the second floor, etc. On a map, on a menu, on a list, on a farm. In Britain we drive on the left, or on the left-hand side. Our apartment is on the second floor of the building. Here is a shopping list. Do not buy anything that is not on the list. Have you ever worked on a farm? We say that a place is on a river, on a road, on the coast. Budapest is on the river Danube. The town where you live, is it on the coast or inland? Budapest, Danube. Also on the way. We stopped to buy some things in a shop on the way home. C. At the top of, at the bottom of, at the end of. Write your name at the top of the page. Jane's house is at the other end of the street. At the top of the page. At the bottom of the page. D. In the front, in the back of a car. I was sitting in the back of the car when we crashed. At the front, at the back of the building, theater, group of people, etc. The garden is at the back of the house. Let's sit at the front of the cinema. We were at the back, so we could not see very well. On the front, on the back of a letter, piece of paper, etc. I wrote the date on the back of the photo. At the back. At the front. E. In the corner of a room. The TV is in the corner of the room. At the corner or on the corner of a street. There is a small shop at, on the corner of the street. In the corner. At, on the corner. Unit 124. Exercises. 124.1. Answer the questions about the pictures. Use in, at or on with the words below the pictures. Sales department, second floor, corner, corner, top, stairs, back, car, front, left, back row, farm. 1. Where does Sue work? In the sales department. 2. Sue lives in this building. Where is her flat exactly? On the second floor. 3. Where is the woman standing? At, on the corner. 4. Where is the man standing? In the corner. 5. Where's the cat? At the top of the stairs. 6. Where is the dog? In the back of the car. 7. Liz is in this group of people. Where is she? At the front. 8. Where's the post office? On the left. 9. Gary is at the cinema. Where is he sitting? In the back row. 10. Where does Kate work? On a farm. 124.2. Complete the sentences. Use in, at or on plus the following. The West Coast, the world, the back of the class, the sky, the front row, the right, the back of this card, the way to work. 1. It was a lovely day. There was not a cloud in the sky. 2. In most countries people drive on the right. 3. What is the tallest building in the world? 4. I usually buy a newspaper on the way to work in the morning. 5. San Francisco is on the west coast of the United States. 6. We went to the theater last night. We had seats on the front row. 7. I could not hear the teacher. She spoke quietly and I was sitting at the back of the class. 8. I do not have your address. Could you write it on the back of this card? 124.3. Complete the sentences within, at or on. 1. Write your name at the top of the page. 2. Is your sister in this photograph? I do not recognize her. 3. I did not feel very well when I woke up, so I stayed in bed. 4. We normally use the front entrance to the building, but there is another one at the back. 5. Is there anything interesting in the paper today? 6. There was a list of names, but my name was not on the list. 7. At the end of the street, there is a path leading to the river. 8. I love to look up at the star in the sky at night. 9. When I am a passenger in a car, I prefer to sit in the front. 10. I live in a very small village. You probably would not find it on your map. 11. Joe works in the furniture department of a large store. 12. Paris is on the river Seine. 13. I do not like cities. I would much prefer to live in the country. 14. My office is on the top floor. It is on the left as you come out of the lift.